Hello, my name is Patrick Noel from VIA Solution, and today I'm going to show you how to update your T-Bird 5800 using a USB stick. First thing you need to do is you go into your System tab on your T-Bird 5800. You do insert a USB stick into the unit, which is going to show up at the top of the screen. When you click on that, you see that, and then you see that it shows the USB stick. Then you can format it. Then it says that everything is going to be erased. That's okay. That's what you want. So that device will be totally wiped out and formatted in the right type of format to be able to receive the software for the T-Bird 5800 and will be recognized by the unit later on. So after that, all I have to do is eject the USB stick. Then it will be safely removed from the unit. Once the USB stick is removed from the unit, all I have to do is I go into internet web page, right? And then I go, in my case, I use Google Chrome, but you can use any type of browser. And you type updatemyunit.net. Then you get into the VIA web page for all of our products. All you have to do is you select the right type of mainframe that you have. In my case, I have a T-Bird 5800 V2, so that's the mainframe I'm going to select. Once I've selected that, all I have to do is I have to choose which server I want to download the file from, either Europe, North America, or Asia. Since I'm in North America, that's the one I'm going to be selecting. Now, on my browser, at the bottom of the page, I have the file, the executable file that will allow me to upgrade my unit. Now, once I'll have the file on my PC, I will definitely need to extract those files into the USB stick. So one of the main mistakes people do is to copy that exe file on the USB stick. That's not the way it works for the T-Bird platform. What you need to do is you have to take the file. Right now, the file is totally uploaded onto my laptop here. All I have to do is I have to extract the USB stick onto my desktop. Now, my desktop is there. All I have to do is I double click on the file, and then it's going to ask me where I want to run that exe. And then it asks me where I want to extract the file. The file currently is on this removable disk here. So I just do OK. And then it's going to extract all the files from that .exe file and extract all the required files onto the USB stick so that I can use onto the 5800. So now the file is still extracting. It's about 8% done. So I have to wait for the extraction to be all completed on the USB stick to be able to reject, I would say, the USB from my laptop and then connect it into the T-Bird for the upgrade. So it takes a couple of minutes to complete. What I'll do is I'll stop the video for now. Now the upload of the file, the extraction of the file into the USB is complete. Once it is complete, now all I have to do is going to be to eject the USB stick from the laptop to insert it into the T-Bird 5800. And then my upgrade method will be USB. When I click on that, it will load the software version that is currently installed in gray in the screen on the right. You see that the BERT is 28.0.1, the instrument setup is 18.5, and the fiber optic is 18.5. And you see that on my USB stick, the upgrade version is the same. So that's why you have an equal sign here. Since my unit is already upgraded, I will not go through this with you, but if you want to complete the upgrade, all you have to do is select the Start Upgrade button, and then the upgrade will be performed, the unit will reboot, and then after that you would be all new with the latest and greatest release of the 5800.